lens on these type of things. Black sentient goo. We've programmed in actually stuff like remedies like the Solmac and stuff, which I finally got after 8 months. Health Canada confiscated it at the border and customs, but we're getting the Solmac Nushador through here, so I'm really excited about that. So,
I mean, we know why they would do that, but what I want you to do is tell us why they would do that to actually explain it in words.
Right. In fact, you can still see the stickers are still on there. They've opened it up and held it for like 8 months. Solmac was something, it shows up in the yellow spectrum. It's normally known as a volcanic sublimase, and it's used a lot in salty licorice, as people know, in Stockholm and Europe and stuff like that. And it was apparently made really illegally. It's been taken out of the organic spectrum. What it would be doing, according to Patty Bessard, as the sublimase, it's gyroscopic, so it would start repairing from the 2 strands, like Lloyd Pye talks about, into a triple strand. And then it would bind with the phosphorus and take us from a negative pole to a positive pole. So it would, reinsure the security of the 3rd strand and stopping basically Agenda 21, which would, reestablish our 21st chromosome, which is really our ability to self-repair and overcome any of the stuff.
Explain that. What I'm trying to do here is, for people who haven't a clue, why would they suggest this is happening? I know there's a lot of people know what you're talking about. What I want you to do is try to explain it in such a way which that's the purpose of what I'm trying to do, to make it to any brick thick or programmed person, can understand what is actually happening here.
Right. Well, as a medical practitioner and a former nurse, what happens is that a lot of the vaccines programs, and there was something called the Project Panther Project, Human Genome Project from the NCBI. So a lot of when they were assembling and putting DNA strands together, these ET aliens or cabals, whatever we want to say, Dracos and stuff, they split the DNA. So if you could almost, in a simplistic term, think that everyone's actuality almost like bipolar, until you have the triple strand, almost like a teepee. Things the soul can't ascend up. It prevents the ascension. So you're kind of blocked, and again, with that 3rd chakra, a yellow color spectrum of what this mineral is, it's actually an ammonium chloride, but it's basically known as Nushador, and that's where I found it very available for everyone, because we had a hard time trying to find it, but on eBay and Amazon,